Hi, Sarah. Sorry this is taking forever. It doesn't surprise me though, the way that it's taking forever for the upload to go into YouTube. So I'm just doing another one and hopefully it'll work. And hopefully it's not going to be the same exact message, but you're still getting your awesome Reiki reading. So basically, I just wanted to say thank you so much for jumping onto the sale that I'm having. I haven't really put out anything like that to the public. So I'm like super grateful that you were one of the first ones that I'm putting myself out there and doing Reiki. So when I was up like really high doing your Reiki um, healing, is basically what I do is I set up a Reiki healing room like super high up out of duality, and I invite your true higher self in, and I make sure that it is your true higher self, and it was. And then I saw you coming into the room, and your higher self put you on a massage table, and I'm just a witness to all of this, and I let the Reiki do everything. So your higher self puts you on the table, and then I saw well, two huge, like cluster crystals underneath the table. And then when I activated the Reiki, it was like the crystals lit up and the energy went up around the table and went into your chakras. So I don't know what that means. I just know that you got like a massive healing. It was really cool. Um, so maybe you want to look into what crystals will help you. Um, Now, after reading like what the oil reading was, like maybe the crystals will help you stay centered so that you don't leave your body. And it sounds like you're also giving too much of your energy away to other people, which is natural. You just need to learn how to call your energy back. So if you know Reiki, you probably have learned some tools and principles, so definitely use those, okay? And I don't have to read you the oil reading, you already have that. The two cards I pulled for you, the first one, the fire, is totally about transformation. And I'm also getting that maybe you need to work on your physical body and maybe do a cleanse and eat healthy so that you can create a really beautiful home for your soul and your energy so that you just want to stay in your body. The card also talked about once or not the card, I think it's the oil reading. It actually talked about once you learn how to ground in to yourself, ground into your body, you're going to use your body as a safe place to reside in and be in, okay? Um, the other one was the crown chakra, the white one, right? And I also see white as fire. So using source energy to come into your crown with Reiki. I think you went to a Reiki group. So if you know Reiki, put your hands on the top of your head and do Reiki. Visualize um, the Reiki coming from above you, all the way from source, going through your body down into Mother Earth. And if there's any blockages, like a tube of light going through your body, and if you can't push the light past like this area, your heart or your solar plexus, that means that there's a block there. So you want to put your hands there and do Reiki until that melts away. Okay, and then once it melts away, all the Reiki and source light energy will go through your tube all the way down into Mother Earth, which we call the 0 point, and then it'll reflect back. So it'll come all the way back up, and then it's like supercharged then because it's like full of Mother Earth energy, and it goes up into your body, and you can like breathe that in. Just visualize it going everywhere, going into each chakra again, and going all the way back up to source. But before it goes up to source, it comes back down and surrounds and fills up your bubble, your aura. Okay, it's a really good way to, like, when you're doing that too, call back your energy. Say, all the pieces of me come back, all my thoughts, all my worries, all my obsessions, I call them back to me. And anything that is not of me originally, I send back to whoever it belongs to. Something like that. You don't have to use my words, but you get the idea. And like when you're in your meditative state, you'll feel it. You'll feel like it's right and it's working. All right, I think I got everything. Just go ahead and read the oil reading. It was about leaving your body and just being super sensitive. And don't worry, all empaths do that. So you're just a true empath. I think that's it, and I really hope that you get this video, and I love you, and be well, and I will see you on Instagram and Facebook. Okay, bye.